In a pop song, the drop is what we refer to as the chorus, with the most catchy melody and a sing-along part, with the most instrumentation, and it is usually the loudest part. In club music, the drop is the main part that people dance to. Here are the 3 most common types of drops. As the first drop, we show you the fancy drop, where we introduce something completely new. The theme you're playing at the drop will be played for the first time in the song. When do you do this? If your 8-bar loop or drop is very eccentric or fancy. Why? Eccentric parts are not suited for too many repetitions because the level of fanciness would probably annoy your listeners. So let's listen to our example.
How does it feel to be the champ?
It feels very good. It feels familiar.
Don't be a sucker.
Our second example is the minimal approach. Mostly just the drums and a bass line you already played before. The timing decides whether this is a drop or not, but it has to be in contrast to the build-up. When do you do it? If you have exceptional drumming and a very groovy bass that work without additional elements. Also, if you have a very full-sounding and thrilling build-up. Why? To gain a higher level of contrast. Let's listen to our example here. In our third example, the drop is the culmination of all previously introduced parts. You play all of the elements or motives together, summed up and more energetic than in the part before. This is probably the most common approach. Let's listen to our example. We listen to the construction part first, then go to the build-up, and finally the drop. Let us show you our second example. Because you also use this culmination drop when you have a pleasant and sophisticated melody that needs a proper introduction. Why? Sophisticated melody might be too complex to be played for the first time in the drop. Let's listen and see what we mean here.